Welcome everyone. Today's lecture is about naming conventions of the variables. So you saw me actually using first name with the camel case, right? This is a very good start and you should do. So old person, if you do old person, it will be old person like this with capital P. I'm not gonna just go through that. This lecture will be super short, but it's gonna be very valuable to you guys. Now, all of these variables can start with, so they can be defined, they can start with letters, dollar, or underscore. So for example, if you want, you can have a variable name money like this and say $100. It will work. So if we print out console log, sorry about that, console log money, dollar money, it should give me the price of 100. Very good, it's $100. But so you can start with a letter, we can start with a money sign. With the letter we already have done it, so with the money sign and with underscore. Now last name, you can do it like this and say Peter Collins. Very good. In semicolon the end. Now you can print this out and say underscore last name, still will work without dollar sign, of course. And let's see, here it is, Collins. Very good. Why do you have this alert? Okay, yeah, I do have this alert, and I'm just gonna move it onto the top. So this is one way of printing out this one. See, sometimes I forgot things, I'm sorry about it. And I have too many files, and I don't know what which file I'm looking at, and that's why I'm doing this. Now, but what we can do is we can say, okay, var 1 is equal to 1. Or we can say 1 is equal to 1 like this. So it's not allowed. But you can say, okay, underscore 1 is equal to 1. That's a different story. But you can't say, you can't start with a number. That now you know the naming convention. Okay, so I'm just gonna say it here. Naming variables, naming convention. So can start with letter, dollar sign, or underscore, but it cannot with numbers or percentage or whatever you put it there. For example, var percentage, come on, percentage and sum is equal to something else, like 500. That is not, so I'm just gonna copy this one and I'm gonna say not valid naming convention. So now that you know how to do the naming convention, we can continue something else. And you should stick to a camel case, because most of us, we are sticking to camel case. And if you go somewhere in a company, they will stick to this part, to the camel case. So where their first name, last name, so they're gonna do it like this, and it's better for you. But it's up to you how you can use it. But make sure that you know that dollar sign, underscore, and a letter is acceptable. Everything else, it's not. Thank you very much. For now, JavaScript is like that. Maybe in future they will change it. And if it does, even if it's changed, please drop a comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do, because I depend on you guys, and I depend on your trust. I depend on your dedication to my channels, to my views, to my work. So if you like my work, please rate it, and if you don't like my work, also rate it. And what else? If there is something new that you know that I don't know, just please drop a comment so I will be able to know when I will be able to create a lecture and fix it. Thank you very much. I talk too much, and I see you in the next one.